At the age of 16, I had earned $10,000 online without going outside my house. Now I'm 17, I have invested all that money. If you want to know what I did with all my investments, then remember to subscribe, hit the bell and like, that would be a great help. And now sit back and enjoy the video. Before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys, I did not earn this money dropshipping and I did not steal my parents' credit card and YOLO into Dogecoin, although I should have. To give you a bit of context on me, I always wanted to invest money. I was inspired by people who had amassed large fortunes by investing money. But being a minor in my country made investment illegal before the age of 18. Above that, my parents had suffered from some bad investments, so they weren't willing to invest my pocket money on my behalf. So for me, the only choice was to go out and make money myself. And getting a decent job for a 16-year-old school-going boy in India is pretty difficult. So I turned to the internet and researched on how to make money online. I quickly realized that most of these ways to make money online quickly were scams. There were no get-rich-quick schemes. The only way to earn money was to provide value. After hours of watching YouTube videos, I stumbled across this channel called Bia Heza. He showed how it's possible to make money from Instagram theme pages if you spend time and build them up. Inspired by this, I decided to convert my art page Dragon Art into a theme page, which later came to be known as blackwhite_art. I began by posting and crediting artists 4 times a day on that page. Seems pretty easy posting 4 times a day on Instagram, but it was not. Me being extra ambitious, decided to grow 4 pages together. So this was a total of 16 posts per day and crediting the owner, and also at least 1 story per day per page. And over this you have to find good content. Normal content won't help you grow. And posting 16 times a day for many weeks and almost months without any results is kind of demotivating, and you need to have lots of dedication to just keep on posting until you get results. Fast forward a few weeks. After weeks and weeks of posting, I finally started seeing some results. I had started organically gaining followers on each and every page and getting millions of impressions per page. And as soon as these accounts hit around 15k, I started getting shout out requests. So after a few months, I was earning a couple of $100 all pages combined with my art page earning the most. At this point, I thought I'd hit a ceiling. I couldn't earn more. At the same time, on my art page, I was getting lots of requests. Do you make custom art? I am a pretty good artist, but I'm not such a good artist where I would be confident making something for someone else. So I decided to hire other artists and started charging the customers around $300 or euros depending on the region, and paying the artist €100. So I was making a $200 profit on each art. I did 4 of these per month, earning around $800 per month, and combined with my shoutout sales, I was earning over $1,000 a year at age 16. This might not be much for you people, but for me, a 16-year-old, this is a lot. For me, this experience was much more than just the money. It made me realize that experience is really important. Not trying to flex, but now I can grow a theme page from 1 to 10k followers in just 30 days, not flexing. And also it gave me the confidence to start this YouTube channel, knowing that you can be successful on social media if you just consistently upload videos. So guys, basically there's no quick and easy way to earn money. You just have to provide value and people will pay for it. So my advice to you is just keep trying and stick to what you're trying. Try out new things and stay dedicated to them until something works. Or just steal your parents' credit card and YOLO into Dogecoin. So all I can say is, if you're my age, 16 years old, you most probably don't want to go to college like most other children there. You need to start right now. If you're lucky, you might not even need to. You can earn enough money and just grow your businesses. The first step is the most difficult to take. I know most people must be procrastinating. So if you just start, it's much easier from then on. So guys, that's it for today. If you guys want to know what I did with the money I'm earning, where I've invested it, I'm already up a few $100 on Dogecoin. Then subscribe and drop a like. Comment down below what you thought about the videos, and see you in the next one.